Hello to you my fashion lovers, you welcome back again to Fashion and Hairstyles Updates, the channel that gives you the very best in trendy fashions. So in case you are seeing this channel for the very first time or you are yet to subscribe to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel and also turn on your bell notification so that whenever a new video is uploaded here, you will be the first to be notified. So my pretty queens, in this video for today, I have the best compilations of new trendy short pink acrylic designs. As you can see already, these nails are looking just so good and very gorgeous that you can properly rock them to any occasion of your choice. So watch the video to the end in order for you not to miss a single slide, and also for you to pick the best slides to make on your nails. And as you watch, kindly support this video by giving it a thumbs up, okay? Like the video and also feel free to share it to your friends and loved ones, and you can as well save it for your later use. To my returning viewers, I say a very big thank you to you guys for always coming back to watch and engage in my videos. Trust me guys, your effort in my channel is so much appreciated. So ladies, at the end of the video, you can go to the comment section and tell me what you think about this video. And in case this is not really what you want, you can also go into my channel to see other videos that I have on other nail types. You can watch from there and also make your choices. Thank you guys so much, as I'll be looking forward to seeing you again in my next video. Please guys, do not forget to like and share this video. Bye for now.